Each 9 o'clock on a Saturday, the regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic engine.
Say, son, can you play me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet, and I knew it's complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. Oh, la, la, li, la, 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 li, la, la, la. Sing us a song, you're a piano man. Sing us a song tonight, where we'll all in the mood for the melody. You got us feeling alright.
Now John at the bar, he's a friend of mine. He gets me my drinks for free, and his creep with a jaw going to light up your smoke. But there's some place that he'd rather be.
He says, Bill, I believe this is killing me, as a smile went away from his face.
Well, I'm sure that I could be a movie star. Oh, if I could get out of this place.
Oh, la, la, li, la, 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 li, la, la. Sing us a song, you're a piano man. Sing us a song tonight, where we're all in the mood